Hi everyone, this is Jannat here. Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Jannat here and हमारे पास काफ़ी सारे नए डिज़ाइन आए थे for Eid, so I thought to show them. Hi everyone, so many people joining in. So मैं सब dresses I'll go over quickly and share the prices as well. You can still order for Eid on our WhatsApp number. हम कुछ orders, limited number of orders TCS से send कर रहे हैं since all the other couriers have closed down now. So wassalam Sauda. I will be sharing prices साथ inshallah. I hope you're all doing well and सबका रोज़ा अच्छा जा रहा है and you're having a great day inshallah. So starting off with this dress. Everyone's asking the price. I haven't even started showing the dresses. So ये वाला पहला dress है. It's called Anoki. Hi Azmat. Hi Fatma. Thank you. This comes with a gharara. I think this is one of our best-selling outfits this Eid, by the way. Website page it's already sold out. We're only taking a limited number of orders on WhatsApp and you can also DM us. Kaval, बिल्कुल हम abroad भी send करते हैं. This one's a really pretty double-laid peplum top. मज़े का flare है इसका and it comes with a gharara. The bodice is lined with digital print. This is for 12,500. It's a two-piece outfit. Thank you, Lubna. उसके बाद there's this one. Sidra, फिलहाल sale नहीं है. Aksa, no, I'm not Zara. I am her daughter. The brand is almost 25 years old, so I can't be Zara Ahmed herself. I am Jannat, and I'm Zara's daughter. This one's a three-piece set for 6,500. Someone's requested कि please Basant dress दिखाएं, so I am taking your order and straight going there. Thank you, Kaval. So this is the Basant outfit and the name perfectly describes it. It's a very crisp yellow outfit. Or if you remember our school events, culture events, kids these days, उनको तो नहीं पता होगा. They probably think Basant is part of history. So जो हमारे लिए होता था, we used to wear these crisp yellow outfits to school. Ayat Ali, Zara Ahmed doesn't appear on TV or social media. This one's for 7,500 and it's a three-piece set, really pretty and it's in lawn, so you can easily wear on Eid or a Mayo event. It's a pretty versatile outfit. Summers mein especially yellow looks really pretty. This is for 7,500. Mehru ye white shalwar ke saath hai. I'm good, Mariam. How are you? Iske front pe slit hai and the side slits are closed. So it's an A-line shape. Uske alawa, I was desperately wanting to move on to this outfit. It is one of my favorite outfits this Eid. Thank you, Zinash Fahad. Hamza, या Hums Nation that's your name. आपको ईद के लिए आउटफिट मिलेगा या नहीं आपकी लोकेशन पे डिपेंड करता है. सो इट बी बेस्ट इफ़ यू व्हाट्सएप अस, वी कैन टेल यू एग्जैक्टली. अच्छा, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो ग्रेट फॉर मैटर्निटी वेयर फॉर वुमेन हु आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. और उसके अलावा ये निकाह इवेंट्स के लिए या डे टाइम वेडिंग्स जो आजकल हो रही हैं, लाइक स्मॉल इवेंट्स ऑफ कोर्स, दिस इज़ रियली प्रिटी सूटेबल ऑप्शन. दामन पे देयर इज़ सटल फिरोजी एम्ब्रॉयडरी, देयर इज़ डिजिटल प्रिंट और ये वीव कितनी खूबसूरत लग रही है एंड zigzag पैटर्न. इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी फ्लेयर्ड अंगरखा. दिस इज द बैक. बैक इज ऑल्सो पैनल्ड. दिस वंस फॉर 9,500. अगर आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना हो, you can take it now and send us a WhatsApp message to order. Sidra, I think this is pretty reasonably priced for 9500 considering कि इस पे जकार्ड का at least 4 meters fabric लगा हुआ है. There's digital print, there's silk, there's laces. If you estimate the cost, it comes about the same. This is a stitched two-piece outfit with shalwar for 9500. You can pair this with a Ferozi or off-white dupatta also. Someone saying कि शीशा work rough है, so I don't see how it's rough. It's pretty neat. बिल्कुल पैटर्न के ऊपर हुआ हुआ है and it's all done by hand. उसके अलावा ये वाला जो शीशा वर्क है, I was so impressed by this as well. This is also done by hand. एक एक शीशे को रेशम टांका लगा हुआ है and it's pretty neat. मेहरू, आप अगर मुझे ड्रेस स्पेसिफाई कर दो कि कौन सा वाला ड्रेस यू लुकिंग फॉर, तो आई बी एबल टू सेंड यू अ पिक्चर इंशाल्लाह. बिकॉज ब्लैक में फ़िलहाल मुझे दो नज़र आ रहे हैं स्टोर में, एक वो वाला है एंड दिस वन. I was just showing it on the Facebook Live as well. Yeah, you can pair this with your younger sister or your friend or anyone you'd like to twin with on Eid or any wedding also. This is pretty suitable to wear to a wedding as well. This one's a full-length maxi and that one's a short peplum with garara. They're the same fabric and combination and everything. Kiran Alvi, yes, we have a very pretty dress in shocking pink. मैं अभी वो भी दिखाती हूँ. Some shisha broke and they stitched with embroidery. That's not true. एक एक शीशा किसी हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा skilled labor है. They're really skilled women who work on these outfits. उन्होंने एक एक शीशा हाथ से लगा हुआ है धागे से. बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है कि शीशा टूट गया और हमने धागे से उसको जोड़ दिया. That's not true at all. If I tell this to one of the bajis back at office, so they'll probably really be angry at me. I'm sorry the video is blurred. Please let me know if it's clear now. आप मुझे बताइएगा आप लोग के वीडियो क्लियर है कि नहीं. So I continue. Saida 7479. I'm sorry अगर मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन मिस किया. Please ask again so I answer. अच्छा, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट आउटफिट्स. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी और चिकनकारी में है ये. सेंटर इज़ ये बूटी एम्ब्रॉयडरी हुई है. Faryal, yes, we do deliver to UK as well. This is called Ruby and really pretty colors. मुझे ये दोनों ड्रेसेस के colors I really like. मुझे लगता है these look best on Asian skin tones. These ruby shades, rust shades and emerald green. This can be worn to a barat event with some heavy jewelry as advertised on model, or easy to wear on summers, and it's for 8500 and it's a two-piece set. Faryal Jan, if you WhatsApp us with your location, मतलब आप अपनी state वगैरह postal code वगैरह हमें दोगे तो हम DHL से directly check कर सकते हैं if they can deliver by Eid. Mehru, I'm so glad you enjoyed wearing your dress last Eid. This Eid is a tad bit different, of course. Not tad bit, actually a whole lot different. Lekin I hope we can wear new dresses at home and feel a little normal. ये green वाला है. It has this beautiful embroidery on the neckline और embroidery के ऊपर भी अड्डे से हाथ का काम हुआ है. सनम, मैं अभी मिनी मार्केट स्टोर पे हूँ. इट्स राइट नेक्स्ट टू लाहौर चरखारा इफ़ यू वांट टू कम टू दिस स्टोर. Moving on to one of the best designs, I think. Like critically, if I judge a design, तो ये बहुत मज़े का है. बलोची वाला जो ड्रेस है can be worn to cultural events, and Balochi people especially can pull this off कि मतलब फंकी सा मज़े का ड्रेस है. If they wear this to a wedding, it'd be so pretty and unique. Hira Munir, this is in white in contrast with red. Bina, UK की DHL service is pretty quick. It normally takes 5 to 6 days, लेकिन कुछ states far off होती हैं, so you'd have to tell us exactly where you are with your postal code so we can guide you in a better way. Someone told me last time कि इस pocket panel को झाबला कहते हैं, so this comes with an embellished झाबला. And there is this other word also, it's called a pindole. और इसका पूरा जो झाबला पैनल है, that is embellished with शीशा, गोटा किनारी, सितारा, and these are the pockets. Really pretty, studded with शीशा, तो sparkly सा ड्रेस है खुस्सों के साथ, and with even with red lipstick it looked really pretty. इसके साथ नेवी ब्लू कलर में दिस गरारा. अगर आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेना चाहो to order on WhatsApp, तो you can do it. This is for 8500 and it's a 2-piece set. Aisha, inshallah we'd be opening our outlet in Sahiwal too. Someone's requested कि please shocking pink दिखा दें, so I'm moving on to that one only. बीच में I just saw this really pretty color blocked one. बहुत ही peachish orange and lime green का मज़े का combination है, and it's a color blocked one. अगर आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेना चाहें किसी डिज़ाइन की, इसके बारे में कोई डिटेल्स आपको चाहिए, तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेके हमें व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं. This is also 8500 and it's a 2-piece set. Statement sleeves in this one as well. I think I forgot to show the sleeves for Balochi one. इसकी भी statement sleeves हैं. This one's also for 8500. Then there's this fuchsia pink one that I intended to show. गले पे बहुत खूबसूरत और नफीस काम हुआ है शीशे से, along with सितारा. This one's a very pretty vibrant pink outfit. इसके सारे panels पे there's embroidery and there's shisha studs as well. दामन पे there's embroidery in shades of red and green. Sorry, red and pink. Mehru, the stores are open Monday to Thursday as per government instructions. Something in pastel shades, because pastel shades are never out of fashion, especially for summer Eid. Coralista is dress ka code hai, and it's a really pretty peach. There's embroidery all over the front. There's really pretty shisha work on the neckline, embroidery on the side panes as well. और इसका जो material है, that is also self-embossed, as in it has a design of its own. Sure, you can visit the Gulberg shop. It's open for customers Monday to Thursday, 9 to 5, I think, is the timing. Then there's this red one. It's called Arjumand. फ़िलहाल कराची में हमारा कोई स्टोर नहीं है, लेकिन हम डिलीवर ज़रूर करते हैं. Really pretty outfit with chunri dupatta, और इस पे this कच्चा टाका done by hand, this सितारा work. तौहीद रफ़ीक, यस हमारा स्टॉक कुछ कम है वेबसाइट पे फ़िलहाल, लेकिन इसीलिए हम लिमिटेड ऑर्डर्स ले रहे हैं ऑन द व्हाट्सएप नंबर. आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो द डिज़ाइन यू वांट एंड योर रिक्वायर्ड साइज विद चेक अवेलेबिलिटी फॉर यू. वी इनकरेज यू टू शॉप ऑनलाइन, सो एज इट्स नॉट सेफ टू गो आउट. लाइव सेशन करने का मकसद भी यही है, सो यू सी द डिटेल्स एंड द आउटफिट्स इन एक्चुअल, सो यू आर श्योर व्हेन यू आर ऑर्डरिंग ऑनलाइन. Rabia, the speech one is for 9,000. This is for 9,000 and comes with a shalwar. Very pretty, very detailed. और ये स्पार्कली सी नेकलाइन है इसकी, हैंड वर्कड. Faryal, the WhatsApp number you have to save it with the dial code 92. और अगर फिर भी नहीं चल रहा तो you can DM us on Instagram. We'd assist you with ordering online. I think I'm done with all of the Eid collection. There's kids wear available at Mini Market store as well if you'd like to see. Ruby's bottom is a same color shalwar, और shalwar पे there's gota kanari on the pancha. This is the shalwar. It's a very very pretty outfit. This is Kot Chanda. I did show this last time as well. बहुत खूबसूरत, बहुत light colors में मज़े का dress है. It's very Punjabi style outfit. Thank you, Azan. इतनी फंस के इंग्लिश निकल रही है. I'm sorry यार, it's not my native language. Again, I slipped. I don't see the obsession with English and people obsessing over mistakes and being stuck at it. भाई जब अंग्रेज़ उर्दू बोलते हैं तो I don't see them talking perfectly. Thank you, Yusuf Naz. This is Coat Anokhi and it comes with a गरारा. Cotton का गरारा है इसके नीचे. It's a double laid peplum. नीचे print है. And there's this chiffon panel over it. This is for 12,500. Thank you, M. Chaudhary. Yes, this peplum is indeed very pretty, and there's a very similar black maxi to this one. अगर आप अपनी किसी दोस्त के साथ या किसी बहन के साथ ट्विन करके पहनना चाहो किसी वेडिंग पे तो that's a very pretty choice. I think for teenagers also the peplum is very pretty. फिर there's this Cinderella like outfit. मैंने last time भी दिखाया था ये. I think one last piece left in store now. Very shimmery, very pretty, fairy tale like. Sobi, I'm sorry, I'll just stop showing the same suits. I am pretty much done with all the designs. I was just trying to show in detail. The silver one is a double layered gown. मतलब full length gown है ये ज़मीन तक. Floor length, sorry. 13,500 इसकी price है. निकाह engagement के लिए it's a very very pretty choice. और आप इसके साथ कोई customized या contrast में दुपट्टा बनवा सकते हैं in some red or other color as well to pair with it. Very Cinderella like, very pretty. और flare भी काफ़ी मज़े का है. It looks so nice in pictures. Sparkly सा. Then there's this rust one. ये भी बहुत photogenic सा color है and perfect for a bride to wear at smaller events. Fully hand embellished. You can also wear it to a barat event or anywhere you like. It's really pretty and these sort of things you don't generally find in ready-made. आपको बनवाना पड़ता है या order करना पड़ता है. But we have this available. It's a silk gown. और पूरा हाथ का काम हुआ है इस पे. Someone's asked कि अनोखी का bottom भी दिखा दें. I will try, but the neckline has a choker attached to it. इस साथ plain black गरारा है basically. Here is it. The different lace के patterns use किए गए हैं गरारे के bottom पे. So each piece is exclusive. The lace patterns or the print etc. may vary. Someone specially requested कि peach वाला सही से दिखा दें, so I am going to the peach one. I think it's this one. This is the only peach one I showed. ये peach वाला है with really pretty watercolor effect print, embroidery in pastels. There's this organza panel और जो center panel है वो भी fully embroidered है with this gold thread. Bushra Siddiqui, this is a pretty light shade. It's coral with paired with Ferozi. And this is for 9,000. So I'm done showing all of the collection. दो तीन लोगों ने request किया for something in white. I did show this earlier as well. लेकिन मैं फिर से दिखा देती हूँ. It's a very pretty white outfit. It's a white angrakha with really good flair. Mariam mini market जो store है, that'll be open Monday to Thursday 9 to 5. So I'm done with all of the outfits. I will be logging out now. I hope this was helpful in some way and you'd be able to order online for Eid. Again हमारे Eid orders open है लेकिन सिर्फ WhatsApp number पे या Instagram DM पे जा place करेंगे. So Allah Hafiz. I hope this was helpful in some way.